Want to add your own personal signature in DocuSign? In this video, I show you step by step how to create and use your real signature so your documents feel authentic, professional, and uniquely yours. Make sure to hit like and subscribe before we begin. First, open your browser and head over to the official DocuSign website. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the sign in screen. Just enter your credentials to securely access your account. Once inside, you'll be taken to the DocuSign home screen. At the top of the page, you'll notice your name displayed. Click on it. This will open up your personal settings where you can customize your signature preferences. From here, look for the option labeled Draw. This is where the magic happens. Instead of using the default digital signature, you'll be able to actually draw your own. If you're on a computer, use your mouse to carefully write out your signature. On a tablet or touchscreen device, you can use your finger or a stylus to make it look just like your real handwriting. Take your time here. You want it to look natural and professional. Once you're happy with the result, don't forget to save. From now on, DocuSign will store your custom signature and let you apply it to any document you sign. And that's it. You've now set up your very own handwritten signature inside DocuSign. This adds a layer of authenticity and personal identity to every document you sign, making them stand out whether it's for personal use or business deals. Remember, your signature is a reflection of you. By combining the convenience of DocuSign with the uniqueness of your handwriting, you get the best of both worlds, efficiency and authenticity. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.